So Dora is ridiculously grubby. Purely because she has obviously done her trip to Scotland, which I will hopefully be uploading in the next few weeks, as there is a lot of video footage. She's just come back from Wales, where I did a quick overnight trip, and she is not looking her best self at all. The amount of midges that are wedged on the front of Dora and even on the roof tent cover, which I had to wipe down, are unreal. So she is looking a little bit sad. She's looking a little bit worse for wear. I feel like she's got half of the Scottish moorland wedged under the front of her, which is another story entirely. And she needs a clean on the inside and out. She is looking a little bit shabby and grubby, which I'm embarrassed to say. So I have a day off work, and I have then decided on what is like the hottest day of the year to use that day to clean out my car. So it's nice and early because otherwise I'm just going to melt in the heat. But the aim is to give her a bit of TLC. So I did some shopping and bought her some bits and bobs that hopefully will make her look a little bit prettier than she has been previously. So fingers crossed it does the job. My aim is to spray some of this stuff on the outside while I then try and clean the inside and hoover it out, because obviously with having dogs, it is, it gets a little bit grubby in there and it does need a little bit of a clean. And then hopefully give her a bit of pampering on the outside whilst trying not to pass out and die in this ridiculous heat. So wish me luck, and fingers crossed she looks better by the end of it. Bugs are real, like real. Look. Oh, Dora. So whilst that's doing something, hopefully, it's time to start on the inside, because that is also pretty nasty. Also dog poo bags everywhere when you have a dog. Dora's first aid kit. Right, I'm going to show you the dog crates, because that is a whole new world of pain. It is pretty grubby under there and in the actual dog crates. So I think it's time for a good old Hoover. Hopefully she'll look a little bit better afterwards. Who knows? I'm just trying to take all this stuff out. Dog beds. Basically, having dogs is a lot of work. It's a lot. I'm hoping, she says, that these mats I can just pressure wash down, which will be a lot easier than having to try and wash them. There is so much dog hair in there, like so much dog hair. I'm a bit embarrassed to show you, to be honest. The reality of living with working dogs is, a lot of dog hair. It's a bit gross. So, time to get the Hoover out, I think. Who doesn't love a Henry Hoover, right? They're like literally the best Hoovers. I cannot lift the crates on my own, so it is going to be a make-do jobby on this one, annoyingly, but it's better than nothing. Today's video is flavoured by Bergamot Bliss. Actually, smells quite nice. I quite like it. Time to do the crates. You know what, I might pressure wash these. I think it'll look better. Right, time to Henry the inside. I've had Dora for about 7 months now, and every time I clean her I keep finding glitter. Now, for those of you who don't know me very well, I'm not your glitter kind of girl. So I have no idea who owned her previously. I'm assuming they really liked glitter, or they had kids that really like glitter, because it's everywhere and I just don't know where it comes from. It just keeps producing more and more glitter. Because she is like 14 years old. However, she does need a bit of love, because she's worked hard for me. So everyone just needs a little bit of a pamper, right? That is loads better now. Loads better. I'm trying to get all the mucky bits that when I wash Dora don't really happen. So more hoovering is definitely required. I have a feeling I'm going to get through a pack of Dettol wipes, but she will smell amazing, which is the main thing. She looks loads better already. Driver's side next. Right, passenger side to go. Then the hoovering is done, which is nice. So when we went to Scotland, we stayed in an off-grid camp with a guy called Mike, and he lectured us on all the goodness of bog myrtle, and gave us some. Kind of don't want to get rid of it, but yeah, I think it's a bit weird now. So unfortunately, I think the bog myrtle's got to go. So, time to get the pressure washer. Scottish Moorland retrieval. Handy. More is needed. Oh God. A dirty land day. I always manage to get this everywhere and I have no idea how or why. So let's see what we can do. Ooh. Well, I'm making a bit of a mess of this. Plus side, it smells lovely. It smells like bubble gum. So at least Dora will smell delicious and hopefully be a little bit cleaner. So, see how this goes. Quiet. Yeah. Cool. Easy as that. That's that one done. Let's see if we can get a bit cleaner. Still knackered. Right. That is looking a lot better. However, this is what I don't like about Dora's front bumper. So when I bought her, I got this personally to her front bumper. I have no idea what that is. And it looks like they've just used Tipex to cover it up. So I will get her a new front bumper at some point. But my aim is to get a winch bumper. So there's no point now. Now, right, let's see what this does. See what this bad boy's about. Yeah. Spray demon shot. Oh, okay. Let's give this a go. If I'm honest, theory is the more I take care of her, the less she is to break down on me, which I don't think is logical at all. But I kind of feel like if she feels loved, she might be nice back to me. I have no idea if that's done anything to her apart from make her smell like a giant bubble gum, but that still makes me happy. So let's go with that. And try to put the mats back in and put her away. That has not been as painful as I thought it was going to be, to be honest. So, dog mats. A hell of a lot better at least. So, do you know what? I'll take that. Dog beds. Dog bowls. Land Rover coat for if I'm going to be wishful thinking if she breaks down. No! Oh, she does look better though. This makes me happy. This makes me happy. So for those of you who are completely not interested in this, which most of you probably aren't, I love this. This is like my little grab bag, and the reason I love it is because it fits everything that I want in it, including the most important thing of all, dog first aid kit. Can't have, ooh, and a spider. That's exciting. He's just disappeared under there. There he goes. Bye, Mr. Spider. Can't have any of my poochies unwell. So I carry a dog first aid kit. I don't think I carry a human one. However, I kind of feel like the dog one and the human one are relatively interchangeable. So, you know, if it's good enough for the dogs, it's probably good enough for me. We're almost there. And then we just need to tidy up. Feels quite good. I just need to put her away now. And done. Yeah. She looks good.